Happy Friday. Your weather webcast is brought to you by JFrog Pros. We are talking about a warm start to the day, followed by evening thunderstorms that will continue into the overnight hours. So first and foremost, we're expecting another spring-like afternoon. 70s here for the Caprock, low 80s into the eastern rolling plains. Couple of really nice temperatures out there, about 79 for Lubbock. The clouds will be with us today, gradually increasing through the evening, and that will result in eventually some thunderstorms by tonight. Storm Prediction Center does have a slight risk of severe weather for our southeast zones. That does include Lubbock County at this time. But if you see any color on the map in your city, you can expect a thunderstorm at least possible tonight. But the greater chance of more widespread storms and more severe weather is in that slight risk. The hazards associated with this slight risk today will mostly be hail. Up to about 2 inches in diameter is certainly possible in isolated thunderstorms. Also, flooding will be localized, but you know what happens when we get that brief downpour of maybe ½ an inch to an inch of rain. It can cause trouble on roads that get locally flooded. So keep that in mind. A high wind threat is lesser, but that impacts us more tonight. And tornado threat is not zero, but it certainly is still something we will watch. Every single storm we'll be watching closely today. Notice by lunchtime, still rain-free. A few clouds, we're just heating up. Then it's by later this evening. The first batch of thunderstorms probably will be more scattered in nature, not quite as strong with the heavy rain potential. This first round that starts about 5-6 p.m. will move to the northeast pretty quickly. But we could see more activity overnight thanks to a increase in our jet stream winds, and we could see another round by around 11, another round by 2-3 a.m. and again favoring the central and eastern South Plains, and especially in that slight risk where we could see some of the stronger thunderstorm activity. Then most of this clears out by early Saturday morning, and if you have any Texas Tech basketball watch parties Saturday afternoon, it's looking a-okay for that. On the weekend forecast, just that slight chance of thunder early Saturday morning, mostly for the rolling plains. We'll warm up to the upper 70s in the afternoon. Sunday, slightly cooler with a weak front moving in, but still mid-70s are above average. Next week, we warm back to the 80s. Monday through Wednesday will be sunny and very warm, nearing 90.